to you about different hinges or door hinges. These ones are 3.5-inch door hinges. This is one of your most common styles. Now the different factors on the hinges, you can have, just a regular close. You can have a spring close hinge. This one's obviously just regular. And the other thing is the size of the door. This one's 3.5 inches. Okay. And it's seen that it has 3 screws in it. Okay. When you have a 4-inch hinge, it'll often have 4 screws. The 3.5-inch has 3 screws. And the radius style is the other key point when ordering hinges. This one's a 5/8-inch radius, and we've got basically 5 inches where the curve starts. Right, 5/8 of an inch where the curve starts and where the curve ends. The other styles you'll see is a little 1/4-inch radius, so it comes out a bit further before it takes just a little tiny bit of a beveled edge, and then a square hinge. So, yeah, and those the most. Those are kind of the key points when ordering hinges. The other thing is your finish style. A lot of times these come in a bunch of different finishes. Most common being brass. Then you've got brushed nickel, satin chrome. So, and there's probably just a huge variety of other finishes you can get out there, but those are kind of the most common.
Here with me, I call on your name. In the midst of the praise, give and enjoy. Your peace surrounds me as love overflows. Glory to Jesus, Savior of my soul. In the midst of the battle, the struggle, the war, as I look up to you, the victory is sure. Your promises stand despite fury and flame. The gates of hell will not prevail. To the night when I cannot see, your light burns bright deep within me. Your words, your instructions, they set me free. The gift of your presence